Little unboxing here. Got me some more vintage Star Trek comics, the Gold Key or quote Western Publishing comics from, I think it started in '67. Ran for about a decade, but there was only like 56 of these. That's my P.O. box on the other side, so you can't pause and dox me. P.O. box is on my About Me section. Been there, done that with somebody trying to locate me, but here we are. What'd I get? I got this last month, and I haven't opened this yet. 5 of these. Let's take a look. This comes from mycomicshop.com. I've gotten to where I pretty much trust them on, shipping well, as you can see, and they're pretty good about their rating scale and charging, not overcharging, I think. Let's take a look at them if you want to hang out with me on a Sunday, late Sunday, if I can get this up before the night is over. Yes, here we go. All right. Now, let me flip this over. Okay. Here we go. All right. So I have one thing about these is they don't really have the numbers on here. There's like a number code. If anyone knows how to decipher that, to figure out what number, what issue this is just by looking at the cover, other than knowing what the cover looks like. Obviously, you go to the inside page and it's going to tell you what the issue is that you have, but it's a little bizarre on how they did that. Now this, My Comic Shop puts the little labels on there. So this one is number 12, very good. They graded at a 4.5. So there's the cover on that one. This one I'm kind of into it for the artwork and just trying to complete this set. This one is number 38. That artwork, giant bird. Captain Kirk. Kirk is stranded on a savage planet. One of our captains is missing. They rated this one at, it's not listed on here, number 38. Very good, 4.0. You can see there's a little, I don't know, there's a little chunk out of it right there. But it's intact. Main thing is I don't like getting corroded staples. That one looks to be graded a little high in my opinion by them. What do I know? Number 41, very good. I like this cover. That's a cool cover. Any of the covers with the ships on them I like. This one, number 41, it says very good. So I don't know, maybe it's kind of just a red herring that some of these actually have a number grade on them. Obviously they're not sent off for grading. Number 16, very good. That's a wild cover. That's Spock. And number 36, good. This one's pretty rough but intact. And they're saying it's about a 2.0. It was only $4.40. Some of these I'm just kind of taking what I can get. Maybe I find a better copy later and replace it, but at this point, I don't know. I think I have some pretty decent copies of like the first 6, maybe 7, which are those really cool issues. This one's maybe the roughest one I've gotten so far. Let's just take a look at it. My battery has got 2 minutes left, so it's probably going to conk out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me on a Sunday. Hopefully you had a great weekend. And if I can get this out without getting the tape all over the cover. Oh, why did I do that?
My God, Bones. What have I done? What you had to do. What you always do.
Dummy. Let's just see what it looks like here. Yeah, so you can see there's number 36 there. Yeah, everything's intact. I mean, the pages on these old Gold Key Western Publishing Star Trek comics, they did not print them on good quality paper. Almost all of them are always yellowed, but this is intact, so I'll take it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Battery's running out. All right, got them added into my app, the CLZ Comics app. I love it for tracking and knowing what you have. It shows the covers too, but let's, if I can get it to go. Looks like I have 41. I have 20 more to go. This one will be complete. One day, a little bit at a time. Boom.